Here they are. They come out pretty nice. They're really well made. No loose strings. Nice. Definitely worth the money. Very good. I let them air out for a good day before I put them in. They are really well quality. The stitching is a little bright, but not bad. But my color on this truck is red and black, so it's going to match pretty good. Okay, well, I got the prep work done. Got the old floor mats out. Well, they're not really old. It's a new truck, so they're still in the plastic. But it's kind of hard to do when you got a bird on your back the whole time. He won't shut up. So let's get this done. Okay, the prep work is done. I got the floor mats out. The originals are still in plastic. I vacuumed everything out. Let's get her done. Okay, I got them in. I didn't really follow the instructions. I just kind of laid them in there, and they have the little tabs on the corners that you can kind of push underneath your molding. And I'm kind of thinking this one is a little long. Maybe it'll lay out after it stretches. It gets hot maybe. It's kind of cold out right now. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. I got the corners down. And the front went in really good. I like the front. They went in really nice. I kind of stuck them up underneath the molding. I think these are really definitely worth the money. They're a lot better than the other brands I was looking at. I would recommend them. You just need to get rid of that bird. Here's the driver's side. Again, I just kind of stuck the clips on. I didn't use any of the Velcro that came with it. It's got some other clips, and I kind of just stuck it underneath. I was kind of hoping it would come above this because I got a few scratches here, but it fits right in here really good. I'm pretty impressed with them. They do fit pretty good. It's just the back one is a little long, and I think it'll lay down after a while. So that's my Mancini floor mats. They look pretty good from a distance too. Well, that's all we got for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.